Guys, now we are going to see how to install an STS IDE on Windows 10 for running the Java applications. To install STS IDE on Windows machine, first we need to download the executable jar file of the Spring Toolsuit. To get the executable jar file of the Spring Toolsuit, we have to go to the Google Chrome. Here we can go to the Spring official website, spring.io. See here the projects tab will be there. Under the projects tab, development tools, below the development tools, Spring Tools 4 will be there. So just click on that. See here, different OSs will have different executable jar files. So mine it is Windows machine. So I am downloading the Windows jar file. It is around 500 MB. So it will take time to download. For the time being purpose, I have already downloaded the executable jar file here. Now open the folder where you have the jar file. Just double click on that. The unpacking of toolsuit will take some time, like 1 to 2 minutes. This is one of the simplest way to download the STS. Like no need to change any environment variables. No need to keep any settings and all. You have to just unpack the jar file and run the .exe file of that Spring Toolsuit. That we will see. See here the unpacking is started. On the top left corner you can see the percentage. Once the unpacking is started, here you can get the folder STS 4.11 release. See, almost it is going to complete. Yeah, it is completed. Now just double click on this folder. Here we can see .exe files of Eclipse and Spring Toolsuit 4. As you know, like Eclipse is the one of the IDE which is used to build the Java applications. The Spring Toolsuit is built on the top of the Eclipse only. The added functionalities is like we can create the Spring applications in the Spring Toolsuit. So to start the application, we can directly double click on this, or else we can create a desktop icon as well. Right click on the .exe file and go to send to option, create a shortcut on the desktop. Now go to the desktop, you can find the Spring Toolsuit shortcut. I have already run this STS. So for the first time, if you are doing this, it will take some time to start the application. So let's wait for that. This STS Spring Toolsuit makes the developers very easy to write the Java applications. That is the one of the added advantage of Spring Toolsuits. And we have more plugins to add here from the Eclipse Marketplace. See, the next step is like we have to select a workspace directory. See, this is the default location given by the Spring. If you want to change that, go to the browse option and go to the place where you want to create your workspace. Now I am creating on the desktop. Create a folder for that. Keep any name you want. Select that folder, and if you want this workspace all as the default folder, just check this box and launch the STS. Now see, the STS interface is open. Here we have multiple options: create a Java project, or create a new Spring Starter project, or import the projects already existing projects there. Now to create a new project, you can directly click on here, or else go to the file, new Java project. See here, this is the create Java project tab. Here you need to configure some things. You have to give the project name. I am giving the project name as Hello Tech Finder, and you need to select the version of Java JRE to compile your program. Now I am selecting as 1.8. It is the most preferable version, and click on next. No need to change anything there. Then see here, this is the your project structure, project name and SRC folder. Then finish. See in the left corner in the package explorer, you can find the projects whatever you have created. Now to create a program, we need to create a class. So go to the SRC, right click on that. Else you can directly use the shortcut as well. Go to new and go to the class, or else you can directly click on Control N. Here this is the shortcut. Here just type as class. Now select this class and click on next. See here, there is the package name. If you want to give any package name, you can give, or else the default package it will take. Now give the name of the class file what you want to create. Tech Finder I have given, and if you want to main method in your program, just check this public static void main string args and finish. Usually the default package will be not preferable that much. This is the basic program, that's why I have used the default package name. Otherwise we can create the package name based on our requirement. Now see, the techfinder.java class is created. The structure, or it will automatically add that structure. See the SRC. Under the SRC default package will be there. Under that, the techfinder.java will be there. Now, if you want to use any import or scanner, we can write the imports here, or else just system.out.println. This is the shortcut for creating system.out.println SYSOUT, and after that click Control plus tab, I mean space bar. See here it is shown, just select that and keep on enter. Now you got the system.out.println directly. Here write welcome to yours Finder. And you can click on here save button, or else click on Control S. Now to run this program, you can directly right click on the file. Here run as option will be there. Run as Java application you can give, or else directly here you can see the run button. You can click on this directly. Go to run as Java application. See here the output got printed in the console. Thank you guys.